No foodie trip to Rosales, Pangasinan is complete without a stop at Matutina Seafood's house and restaurant. They serve mouth-watering signature dishes of Pangasinan. We are very lucky this afternoon to have Jerry Austria, the man behind the restaurant. But I know he is not the man behind the name. Magandang hapon.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Being with us.
Yes, pati po sa akin, ako'y nagagalak at kami nambitan po rito sa inyo.
Pero ang tatanong ko po sa inyo talaga why Matutina? Bakit Matutina ang pangalan?
Well, Matutina started on early 70s. When my mom, she's avid fanatic of John and Marcia, the series. And then, yun po, nag-start ang business nung, actually, medyo talipapa noon. And then, yun, we separate business nung I get married on 1998. So, I put my own business. Started in Dagupan, then my branch here in Urdaneta and Tarlac.
Well, but thank you very much. Ano ang ipapakita mo sa amin ngayon?
Yes, we have a crab here. Actually, one of our house specialty, buttered crab.
Wow!
So that's the one we going to.
Okay, so I will step away and ask your assistant.
Yes, okay. So first we have a butter. So imimit lang natin yung.
Daming butter.
Hindi talagang dapat po ganyan po siya kasi yung sauce po masarap diyan mamaya po. Yun po yung hinahanap-hanap na pwede mong pagsabaw, pag sauce pa lang talagang
Sauce pa lang,
ulam na. Okay, so after butter we have garlic.
Okay,
mga 3 teaspoons of garlic lang po yan. Chop lang siya. Then antayin po natin garlic magiging brown siya. And then next we have sugar. This brown sugar, mga 1 spoon lang po yan. So antayin natin siyang medyo malusaw yung sugar. And then i-chop po yung crab. Okay, this is. So ito po yung crab. Ito po yung bakla na tinatawag po nila.
Kasi yung talukap yan.
Yes po, opo. Hindi po matulis, hindi po ilog. Tapos yung ano niya, wala po siyang aligi niya. Yung
Pero
soft lang po yun.
fat yan.
Opo. Pero you know, this is one of the best na ano. Hindi po. Ilalagay po siya natin. Papataob para yung ano siya, maglasa. Ilalagay po natin.
Okay. Matagal po bang iluto to?
So it takes 7 to 10 minutes po. Before you cook the crab, siyempre, kailangan po natin ilaga po yung crab.
So,
apo.
pre-boiled na yung
Pre-boiled po, apo. So ibo-boiled yan for siguro mga ganun din, 5 to 7 minutes. Pag boiled mo na yan, mayroon na siyang asin, tapos medyo konting luya para tuloy mo na malansa. Opo. And then next, we have sweet chili sauce, our very own sweet chili sauce.
yun sa inyo yan.
Apo. This is a secret recipe, yes. And then last, we have these onions, dalawang leaves lang. Cut lang po natin. Para medyo, pag sinerve natin sa guest, magandang dating po. Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Ganun po kabilis po.